Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of how to make money through passive income as an African. This video will cover the main passive income methods that works for everyone. So whether you're looking to increase your salary, save for a big goal, or achieve financial freedom, passive income is the key. We will explore diverse strategies like investment, creating a digital product, affiliate marketing, and social media. If you want to learn how to set up multiple income streams with minimal effort, you are in the right place. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. Hit the subscribe button, like the video, and share it with family and friends. The first passive income method is having a social media account. I don't care if you're shy. I don't care if you don't have the right products to start your own social media. I just need you to start one. If you are broke and you don't have any skills to sell, then social media is the first thing that you should focus on. So I'm going to give you two strategies. One strategy will be for the shy people, and the other one will be for the rest of the people that are not shy. If you are shy or an introvert, or maybe you think you don't have the looks or the courage to be on social media, then that is okay. There are hundreds and thousands of accounts that are faceless on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and all other social medias. And you are probably subscribed to a lot of them because they give you good content. So just because you are shy, it doesn't mean that you need to give up social media. Social media can change anyone's life. So now that I have convinced you to start a social media account, this is how you are going to do it. If you are someone who is super embarrassed by their voice, you can use a free website like 11 Labs, where all you have to do is write a script and the website will generate a voice for you. But the problem with such websites is that they have a limit on the amount of script that you can use. So for that, what you are going to do is focus on a niche where you don't have to talk a lot. For example, you can run a channel where you are dedicated to memes, or a channel where you're dedicated collecting reactions. That way you can leverage 11 Labs without having to pay for the voiceovers, and at the same time have a content that people will tune in. For the rest of the shy people that don't mind recording their voices, then all you have to do is focus on a niche, for example, true crime stories in your country, and upload it consistently. Now for the people who are not so shy, I need you to open a TikTok account, a YouTube account, a Facebook account, all the accounts for social media. I will recommend you TikTok especially. If you are someone who is not shy, who will show their face, maybe do a morning routine, a night routine, then you don't need to even stress over being paid by the social media account. For example, TikTok does not pay to a lot of countries, but the good thing about TikTok is that you can easily go viral as long as you are posting there consistently. And as you are posting there consistently, all you need to do is put your information, for example, your Gmail account or your phone number in your bio, and several brands will reach out to you and pay you for your service. And of course, you should post on YouTube, Facebook, and other social media accounts to gain even more brand attraction. Plus, YouTube and Facebook will also pay you, so it is double the profit. Also, don't be insecure about your phone or your camera or your background. All you need to do is focus on how you can consistently release content, and you will go viral, especially on TikTok. The second passive income method is creating a digital product. Digital products are excellent source of passive income because they can be sold repeatedly with little effort. And as you're growing your social media account, you should also create your own digital product and promote your product consistently in your content, so that when your social media account goes viral, your product will also go viral. There are many things that can be sold as digital product. For example, an ebook, an online course, or digital art. You can go ahead and do more research on how you can make ebooks or online courses, because you will find multiple videos on those. The third passive income method is affiliate marketing. So when you grow your social media account, even if you have, let's say, 10,000 followers, 3,000 followers, there is a high chance a brand will contact you. And this is how you'll do affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission on sales made through your referral. So for example, a brand can reach out to you and tell you to sell a skincare product. You'll promote it, and when someone clicks on the link that you provided and they buy the product, you will earn a commission. And let's say there is no brand that's reaching out to you, you can still do affiliate marketing. For example, brands like Jumia, Kilimall, and Travelstat do affiliate marketing in Africa. And if you can't do affiliate marketing for those brands, then you have Google. Just type in your country's name and look for companies that do affiliate marketing. You can choose any product that they show you, then promote it on your social media account. And whenever someone purchases those products, you will get paid. It is actually that simple, but that will only work if you have a social media account. That is why I put social media as the #1 passive income method that everyone should have. The last passive income method is investing. It is a common knowledge that if you want to climb up the social ladder and change your social status, you have to invest your money. Your money cannot be rotting in a bank. Your money should be making more money even while you're sleeping. The first way you can invest your money is through dividend stock. Investing in dividend paying stocks can be a lucrative way to earn passive income. Dividends are payments made by a corporation to its shareholders, usually derived from profits. So how will you find those companies? #1 is do research and choose stable companies. Look for companies with a history of stable and increasing dividends. These are often well-established companies with strong financials. For example, telecommunication companies like Safaricom. The second thing you have to do is diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your money into 1 or 2 stocks. Put them in multiple companies so that you can reduce your risk. But also please make sure that you don't invest in these scams. I've had a lot of people losing their money in pyramid scams, and most of you probably don't even know what pyramid schemes are. However, just make sure you invest through a brokerage, especially a brokerage which is licensed and legal. Don't give away your money to someone that you think you know or someone that they say they know someone else. And that's it. Those are the main passive income methods that will 100% make you money. But just like everything else, you need to be consistent if you want to see any results. And that's it for the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bells, like the video, and share it with family and friends.